In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails from your Zoho mail account, whether you're looking to back up important messages or simply want a local copy. This process is straightforward and doesn't take long. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho mail account. Go to https://mail.zoho.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of icons and options to choose from. Focus your attention on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This gear icon is your gateway to the settings menu, so click on it. Once you've clicked the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, go ahead and select Settings. This will open up a whole host of customizable options for managing your mail account. In this expansive settings menu, you'll find several sections, but today we're focusing on mail settings. Within mail settings, you'll notice another subset of options. Look for the Import/Export option and click on it. This brings up the tools specifically designed for importing and exporting your emails, which is exactly what we need. Now, navigate over to the Export tab. This section is specifically tailored to allow you to create a downloadable copy of your emails. Here, you will need to make a few selections to tailor the export to your needs. First, choose which account or folder you wish to export. You might want to select your inbox, sent, or any other folder where important messages are stored. This flexibility allows you to be as broad or specific as you need. There's also an option to specify a date range if you're only interested in emails from a certain period. If you're fine with exporting all emails in the folder irrespective of date, you can leave this option blank. Once you've finalized your selections, it's time to click Export. This will kick off the process of generating your export file. Zoho Mail will start processing the request you've just made. This might take a little time depending on the volume of emails being exported, so don't worry if it's not instant. After the processing is complete, Zoho Mail generates a zip file containing your emails in EML format. You will receive a link to download this exported file either through an email directly in your inbox or directly from the export section where you're currently working. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your emails from Zoho Mail. Ensure to save the zip file securely on your device. Whether for backup purposes or just peace of mind, having a local copy of your important emails can be very beneficial. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.